In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and animate a GIF in Renderforest using AI. We're going to start right on the Renderforest website and move smoothly from generating an image with AI to exporting a finished, animated GIF. Begin by heading to Renderforest and logging in. Having your account ready ensures you can access the tools you need without interruptions. Once you're in, look for the Generate with AI option. This is where you'll describe the image you want to turn into a GIF. Be as clear and specific as you can in your description. Mention the subject, the mood or style, colors, and any key visual elements you want included. The better your description, the more accurate the generated image will be. Give the system a moment to process. Once your image is ready, review it to make sure it matches your vision. When the image is generated, download the result as a GIF, then, on that same page, click the Animate button located at the bottom of the image. This takes you into the animation workflow. From there, click Upload and upload the file you just exported. Keeping your file name simple and easy to recognize helps you track it during the process, especially if you're creating multiple variations. Once your file is loaded, open the timeline and select Animate. Note that this is a paid feature, so you'll need access to a plan that supports it. The timeline view is where your motion gets defined, so take a second to confirm that your image is placed correctly and ready for animation. Next, click Preview to watch it come to life. The preview is your chance to make sure the motion feels smooth and suits the style of your image. Check for pacing, clarity, and overall look. If everything appears the way you want, you're ready to finalize. To finish, click Export and choose Download as GIF. This will render your animation and prepare a GIF file you can use on websites, social media, or messages. GIFs typically loop automatically, making them great for eye-catching visuals. After the download completes, open the file to confirm it plays as expected and that the quality meets your needs. That's the entire workflow. Log in, generate with AI, download, animate, upload your exported image, use the timeline's animate option, preview, and export as a GIF. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, professional animated GIF created with Renderforest's AI and animation tools from start to finish.